Scott, this is MH4 Designs. I was talking about my using silicone brushes for epoxy, and it's been working out awesome for me. No more hairs. Use the same brush over and over and over. So I just wanted to show you how I clean it. This, you can see, I just laid it down after I was done. So all you need to do is just start cracking it off, because the epoxy is not going to stick to the silicone. So what I do is I just start peeling it off. And if you, a tip, if you leave it thick, the thicker it is, I mean, like if you, have a little bit left, just cake it on there. But the thicker it is, the easier it is to clean off. So you see how it doesn't, it's not peeling off the wood. I can just run that over to the grinder, grind it off. But the brush, actual part, I don't even need to grind it off, because I'm just going to use it again. So anyways, what you do is just keep peeling it off. And what I like to do is just squirt some acetone on it, just to clean it off. But eventually you just have to sit here and pick it off like that. But again, this is, some people don't like it, but hey, it's working for me. I don't have to dig any hairs out. I don't have to buy brushes. I have the same brush. And here, this one I cut. If you get a very fine scissor, you can just cut yourself some fine little slots. This is another one. This is like the first one I used, and I cut it kind of thick, but I can still use this one. But anyway, so I don't even need to clean this off, but it is kind of sharp. But I will run it over to the sander and just, sand it off just to make it smooth. But this is all I need right here on the brush. So again, if there's a little residue left over, just when I just run it through some acetone, it cleans it right up. But again, these are, this has been a saver for me. I've already done like maybe 20 batches of lures with 3 coats of epoxy, so it's been getting its use out of it. You can see how much epoxy is built up on here. So anyways, I just wanted to show you how it cleans it up, and it's good to go. All right, thanks for watching.